Ever wonder why some B2B companies land dream clients while others chase dead-end leads? The secret is B2B lead generation. Stick around and I'll explain what it is in just 3 minutes. B2B lead generation is the art and science of finding businesses ready to buy your products or service. Whether you're a SaaS founder or sell medical equipment, it's about sparking interest and building a pipeline of qualified leads. Let's break this down further. Hey, I'm Tony Koenig, a GTM engineer, B2B growth strategist with over 10 years of experience helping $3 to $10 million founders scale their pipelines using smarter lead generation. I've worked with SaaS, MedTech, and manufacturing businesses to cut sales cycles by 30% and double lead quality. Today, I'm breaking down B2B lead generation to help you attract high-value clients fast. So first, what is B2B lead generation? It is the process of identifying and attracting businesses, not consumers, who need your solution. Unlike B2C, when you target individuals, B2B focuses on decision makers like CEOs or procurement managers. For example, if you sell CRM software, your leads are companies looking to streamline their sales to not random people browsing online. So here's how it works. You start by creating awareness through channels like LinkedIn posts, YouTube videos, or SEO optimized blogs. Then you capture interest with lead magnets like a free guide or webinar. Finally, you nurture those leads with emails or calls using or until they're ready to buy. Think of it as like planting a seed and watering them until you grow them into clients. Why does this matter? B2B lead generation saves you time and money by focusing on high quality leads. Instead of cold calling random companies, you target 10 that are already interested. And studies show businesses with strong lead strategies see 50% higher conversion rate. When I worked with a $5 million SaaS founder, they were stuck with low quality leads from generic ads. Those Facebook ads that suck, okay? It just like takes your budget and it delivers nothing. By shifting to targeted LinkedIn outreach and a white paper, we generated 50 high intent leads in 30 days. That's the power of B2B lead gen done right. And in these days, you have AI to help and to make it even more powerful. So if you want to start generating B2B leads like this, book a free 15-minute strategy call with me. I'll share one tactic tailored for your business. The link's in the description. So that is B2B lead generation, finding the right businesses, sparking their interest, and turning them into clients. It's not magic, it's a system that you can master. Subscribe for more B2B growth tips and let me know in the comments what's your biggest lead gen challenge. So before you go, grab your 20 free AI enriched leads below to kickstart your pipeline today. I'll see you in the next video. Keep on scaling.